How to enable smart notifications with Apple Intelligence in iOS 18.3. Firstly, open the Settings app on your device. In Settings, scroll down and select the General option. Tap on Software Update and make sure that you have updated to iOS 18.3. Now go back to your previous page. Now go back to Settings main page. In your Settings main page, scroll down and select the option Apple Intelligence and CD. On this interface at the top, you should see the Apple Intelligence option. Make sure that you turn on that option. Once you do that, then your Apple Intelligence will be enabled. When you enable Siri, then it will look something like this. You can ask anything to Siri and it will generate responses. So the Apple's Intelligence and Siri are integral parts of Apple's ecosystem. They enhance user experiences through AI and machine learning. Siri provides smart, context-aware suggestions across iOS, such as recognizing text in photos, recommending apps, and many more. That's all for today. Thank you.